time to leave traffic behind. This is the HiMo H1, the award-winning folding electric bike that invites you to a better daily commute. Our biggest concern with design was providing you with both an enjoyable riding experience, but also a comfortable and convenient off-wheel experience. As the winner of the 2019 German Red Dot Design Award, the HiMo H1 folds down small, I mean really small, to about the size of a piece of A3 paper. It fits in your bag, sits next to you on the train, and is unobtrusive in the office. Rest assured, we sure didn't compromise power for portability. The A380 aluminum body weighs only 14.5 kilograms and is built for an incredibly smooth and sturdy ride. This lightweight package is powered by a 180-watt brushless DC motor, allowing you to hit speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and tackle urban terrain effortlessly. We know all commutes are different, so we designed a battery to maximize mileage while upholding our company's dedication to green energy. This rechargeable system holds 7,500 milliamp hours, which translates to a 30-kilometer range at maximum weight capacity. To aid user safety, the HiMo H1 features an ultra-bright LED headlamp, along with an LCD screen, complete with speedometer and battery indicator. On top of that, the digital brake system allows you to safely stop the vehicle with the press of a finger. So we invite you to be different, but stylish, fast and convenient, stable and green. The HiMo H1.
An obstacle for a lot of riders is that riding a bicycle creates discomfort, wrist and shoulder pain. We ride on a lot of different terrain. We have trails, we got roads, gravel riding, we got potholes. Bicycle riding is not fun for a lot of people. We've developed the Kinekt suspension stem. The goal of the Kinekt stem is to reduce rider discomfort, fatigue in your arms and shoulders, your wrists and hands, and adapts to your bike and your riding ability. It works for everyone. It's really going to transform the way that you ride.
The single biggest thing that differentiates our stem from our competitors is the linkage design. We took the patented isolation technology from our seat post and applied it to our stem. With this design, you can put your hands anywhere on the handlebars. You get the same amount of travel, the same spring rate, same ride feel. Another benefit is that the handlebar type doesn't matter at all. Wide bars, curly bars, whatever you want. It's designed to be strong and durable and last for many bike rides to come.
As a company, we're trying to make bikes more comfortable to get more people riding bikes. You get the constant vibration on your hands or your legs or your body up through the back. I mean, for me, having the stem, I just feel much more relaxed on the bike. The confidence comes from the traction that you get. You're just a lot more stable. You can go down hills faster if you want to, go around corners faster.
This thing is sick. Any terrain that you're riding on, it's going to transform.
Suspension isn't just for mountain bikes. Suspension can help any ride be more comfortable. This stem is going to be huge for gravel riding, commuting, e-bikes, recreational riders, everybody.
Our Kinekt suspension stem is going to transform the way that you ride.
Order one right now so you can be one of the first people to have a good, comfortable ride on your bike and enjoy riding your bike more.
Riding your bicycle is awesome. It's good for your health, spirit and mood. But you don't always have enough time to enjoy that to the fullest. Wouldn't it be great to rediscover the pleasure of biking without limitations? Introducing Lightest, the most light, compact and affordable e-bike kit to bring your bike back to life. Lightest is composed by the drive unit and the battery. You can easily install them on your bike in minutes. It's silent and super easy to use. It's the most natural riding experience, as if you had superpowers. Thanks to the integrated torque sensor, which makes the motor assist you based on the effort you put on the pedals. Go everywhere in maximum efficiency thanks to the mid-ride technology. With that, you can use your regular bike shifter to conquer any terrain, from your city street to the top of the mountain. Hi, I'm Matteo, founder of ebike. You might remember our first campaign for the best e-bike kit, a world record-breaking system in terms of torque and connectivity. Since then, we delivered thousands of best kits, and the family got bigger. Starting from that point, I had people coming to me asking for a lighter and more affordable system. After more than 1 year of development, I'm really glad to introduce you the lightest, the most compact, light, and affordable mid-drive system. And we did all of that without compromising performance. Lightest can deliver up to 90 Nm of torque and power up to 1000 watts, so there won't be anything to stop you from unleashing yourself. We work hard to bring you a revolutionary product to let you enjoy the pleasure of riding without limitations. We made it connected so that you can feel it as a natural extension of your own power. By now we put together a team which can ship you the drive units as fast as possible. Join us, and together let's make it happen.
We are Flit, and this is the Flit 16, a brand new generation of folding e-bike. The beauty of the Flit 16 starts with the frame. It's been engineered for high stiffness and incredible handling, and with the battery built in, you can't even tell it's electric. We've engineered a rear suspension system that takes the bumps out of the road. And with a rear hub motor, you'll feel the kick, but always be in control. Our journey began 3 years ago when I met my co-founder Alex. We both love the way that e-bikes allow people to explore their cities in ways that you can't by car. We wanted to take this idea even further by developing a folding e-bike. To build a folding e-bike that rides as well as it looks, we had to do things a little differently. We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a completely new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable but responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. We then built up a team around us to make our e-bike a reality. I worked closely with David to define our award-winning clean and simple design. Joe spent many long hours prototyping parts of the design to test and perfect it. A year ago, we started working with a specialist aluminium bike manufacturer to build rideable prototypes. With our final prototypes in hand, Alex and Gemma began to tell our story, organising test rides all across the UK. It's been great to hear the feedback from our first Flit riders.
When you start going, it gives you that kick, that acceleration. It's incredible. It's really cool. I really like it.
After 3 years of development, half a dozen grants and awards, and hundreds of test rides, we are ready to build our e-bike. Join us in the next chapter of our story, and together we'll bring the Flit 16 to life.